Today, me and my mom made two paper birds. Mama's name Falcon, mine's name. Let's fly, bird. And we're gonna test them fly. And we're gonna show you and tell us your bird's name.
First my turn,
Yeah.
and here goes mine. Woo! Hey, look, it's gone there. Oh, wow.
I think you need to make a new one.
Okay, it's fine. I think you also need a new one. Your bird just landed on that.
On the roof.
Yeah, on this roof. So how was your experience, Anika?
It was good, but I really want to get my bird back.
Let's make a new one. Okay?
Okay.
Look here and say bye-bye.
Bye.